Today it's very important to learn about the Hitachi brand because Hitachi is well known even here in Thailand. Okay, so please be proud of yourself. You have to learn about Hitachi group identity today. You know there's a Hitachi value. One, harmony. Sincerely, number two, value of the industry. These three is very important. Please keep in mind. Also today, I think we have a special topic for DEI. DEI stands for diversity, equity, and inclusion. And one lastly, after this event, you will know what is One Hitachi.
Now we started this event with three main objectives. The first is to deepen your understanding on the Hitachi Group identity, to revisit, to revitalize the Hitachi values. The second is to foster a closer relationship, a stronger bond across the region, across different companies, and even colleagues who you have never met before. The third is to celebrate success through IYGA.
I want to convey my biggest congratulations to all of you. Yes, for the IYGA in 2022 in Southeast Asia. Congratulations. All what you did is very meaningful, very valuable, not only for the Hitachi Group, Hitachi business, but the most important thing is for the society. You should ask yourself, is this in line with our mission? Is this in line with our founding speech? You should ask yourself always, why this is important? To contribute to society, to actualize our mission, which is priority. Don't forget about it.
Now this activity is not just for fun, it's for you to truly appreciate Hitachi values, to truly understand the importance of collaboration. It makes us stronger together. To understand trust, it makes us make decisions faster. To have better teamwork, you have one another to support in good time or in bad time.